there you go. Not playing the. Just carefully put that in. Just put it in. Just put it in, Jamie. Come on. Yeah. There we go. Good job. We'll work it from here. Okay. There we go. Just. Yeah. You're okay, Jamie. I'll just do this for a second. She's got big towels.
What one do you think's older?
I think this one's a bit older. But they're very close in age, actually. Actually, I don't know. You know what? I don't really know. Look at you. You okay, Jamie? Sure, if you want to hold it, you can hold it. Okay, there. So I need you here now to be comfortable. You comfortable there? And I want you to hold both. Talons here for a second. That's just the way it goes. You be able to hold both there? Are you comfortable? Are you able to hold them? You're comfortable there? You got both?
Good work, James. You got it.
You got them? Like not tight, but like just like yeah. There you go. Good job, James. First my banded one holding a towel still. So now you can just hold the lower one. Perfect. You got nice. You're so careful. That's what I want. Very careful. And if you feel uncomfortable, just pull your hand back, okay? And that's okay. Okay? Around.
I think I saw the mother fly out, did she?
She could be around.
Did she fly out though? Because I think I saw.
She was there.
She was in the box?
She did it. Almost there. Yeah, focus.
Good work, Jamie.
That's the way it goes sometimes. Out in the field. Just take a deep breath and focus on something else. Trust me, I've been banding and taking blood from owls, feeling the mosquitoes taking blood from me at the same time. That's the way it goes.
Why did you take the blood from the owls?
We're doing some. Oh, that side studies. Here we go. It's like a cat. You don't want to pull too hard. Got that. Yes, there we go. Thank you, James. Good job.
Okay, let's see this specimen here. Let's see this beautiful one.
Do you flap?
Wow.
Oh, look at her.
Do you flap with the other one?
Okay. Yeah.
It's small.
I think she's just a bit scared.
Hmm?
Yeah,
Can you show us your wings or no?
No, she doesn't want to. That's fine. Actually, I like it when they're a bit calm.
Can I
Beautiful.
pet it?
Yeah.
Or like touch? Only she likes that.
Okay.
Good.
She is actually a good girl. Take her with us home.
This is as calm as we've ever seen, hey?
You can hear her little heart rate. Heart. She's going crazy.
She's really scared.
Probably haven't been fed tonight too, so they're probably quite hungry.
Okay, well, good luck.
Well, good luck, girl. Come back carefully. She is playing a bit dead, like she is.
You're better than you ever wanted.
Yeah.
Look out. Good luck with this.
Okay. Good job, guys.